Welcome to another SEO tutorial. This is actually a follow-up to our March of 2020 tutorial on Google My Business products and how to split those out of the generic, if you will, from product posts that Google put them in at the beginning. All right, I'll put a link to that I believe March tutorial in a description below. Okay, so usually this is working just fine. When we came in and did this, then we were able to create a new category just by going to an existing one and clicking on create new category. Well, now the problem is, and I'll show you, when you go in here, you actually may get frustrated because when you click usually here, we expect it in the drop down. I'll go ahead and click on that. We expect that create a new category to be somewhere here in this list, right? And so scrolling up or down won't find that. Same thing if we scroll on this one. Take it to the top and it just won't find it. Well, there is a simple solution, so we'll just show that to you to try and show you the purpose of this tutorial, which is to save that time. If you just scroll a little bit so that it comes and it's a little bit above the center of the screen and then click on it, product posts. Now when you scroll to the top, you can see you can create a new category. And you can follow all the steps just like that March video. Again, that is linked in the description below. Okay, I hope this is a real time saver for you because all of us around here were working on this for a good bit of time till we could figure out how to find this. And it is just by, again, scrolling down just a little bit so that the drop down loads below. Okay, thanks, and I hope this helps in increasing your SEO for your Google My Business listing through the use of product posts and creating new categories. Thanks, and I hope this helps.